Hello guys, today we are looking for what is documentation. Documentation is refers to the process of creating, collecting, organizing and presenting information in a structured format. It involves recording details, instructions, guidelines, procedures and other relevant information about a system, process, product or service. Documentation serves a reference and communication tool for different stakeholders such as users, developers, administrators and support teams. Various forms of documentation. Various forms of documentation, including technical documentation, user documentation, API documentation, process documentation, and project documentation. First one, technical documentation. This is a type of documentation is commonly used in software development, engineering, and IT fields. It provides detailed information about system architecture, APIs, programming interfaces, data structures, algorithms, and other technical aspects. Next one, user documentation. User documentation is aimed at end users or customers and provides instructions, tutorials, and explanation on how to use a product or service. It is typically includes user manuals, installation guidelines, FAQs, and troubleshooting instructions. Next one, process documentation. Process documentation focuses on describing workflows, procedures, and guidelines for specific tasks or operations within an organization. It helps standardize process, improve efficiency, and ensure constant outcomes. Next one, API documentation. API documentation, API, which means Application Programming Interface. API documentation is specific to software developers and provides details about how to interact with the particular API. It typically includes description of endpoints, request and response formats, authentication methods, and examples. Next one is project documentation. Project documentation captures essential information about a project, including project goals, requirements, timelines, milestones, and deliverables. It helps projects teams say, organize, track progress, and communicate effectively. This is all about the documentation. So, if you like these kind of contents, please do subscribe our channel and thanks for watching.